Hey Digital Trailblazers, this is Leah Ray from DigitalTrailblazer.com. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 different ways to make sales on your YouTube videos. Let's rock. So there are a lot of ways to get people from your YouTube videos off of YouTube and onto your offer, whether it's something that you're selling of your own or an affiliate offer. Now, some are more obvious ways than others, and they all have specific rules that you need to follow for each one. So pay attention. Here we go. Number 1 is the pinned comment. Pinned comment. So when you publish your video, you can go back in and write a comment and then pin that comment to stay at the top of the video. Now you can change this as many times as you want without affecting the rank of your video. So this link can go to a current product promotion, go to your latest product, or even a video that you want to promote on YouTube. Now number 2 is putting the link in the description of your video. Now this sounds totally obvious, and it kind of is, but there are some important things that you need to pay attention to in order to make this effective. Number 1 is that you need to keep the link above the fold, as they say, or within the first 3 lines of your description, so that people don't have to click that see more button to actually see the link. Now this link can be changed at a later time after the video is published, but you probably don't want to do that if your video is actually ranking in search for specific keywords. If you change the description of your video, it is possible that you could lose your ranking. Now there's a good chance you can get it back, but you might also lose that rank forever. Now the third way is to use a verbal or a visual CTA during the video. So when you're creating the video, you actually put this in here. You say it or you pop it up on the screen. Now this is something that can't be changed. Once it's in the video, it's there forever. So make sure that whatever you're promoting in this video is something that isn't going to have to change for a while. Calling something out in your videos verbally plus adding some sort of visual with it, that's really a powerful way to get people to take action. So the more you want to promote an offer, this is a tactic you really want to use on your video. Number 4 are info cards, like this one right here, upper right corner of your screen. These are little pop-ups that you can put anywhere in your videos. People see a little teaser text, they can click on it, and they can either go off to another video or off to an official link that you have taken the time just to get verified through YouTube. Now the neat thing about these is that they can be changed at any time. It will in no way affect the ranking of your video. However, caveat, you do want to put them at the back third, the last third of your video, not at the beginning of your video. Because if you put them in the beginning of your video and people click off to go do something else to check out your offer, then that's going to decrease your average view duration or the amount of your retention rate, how people are enjoying and staying on your video, and that's going to harm or decrease the amount of people that YouTube will actually show your video to if they're getting all of this bad feedback that they're not actually watching the video. So keep it to the last third of your video and you'll be just fine. Number 5 are end screens. Yes, end screens can be used to send people off to other videos, which you should be doing. They can also be used to push off to a verified link that you have set up with YouTube. Now, if you're wondering what the heck are end screens, well, these are the little clickable images that you will see at the end, the last 20 seconds or so of a video when you finish watching it. Now, your end screens truly are prime real estate for your video because it's only shown to the people who make it to the very end of your video. Those are going to be your best viewers, the people who are most interested in what you have to say and are most likely the ones who could be interested in making a purchase. Now, the good news with these as well is that you can change them at any time and it's not going to affect your ranking for search. So you can go between sending people off to videos, to playlists, subscription button, or a website that you have your offer created on. Now, if you want a full breakdown, a full tutorial on how to make $1,000 a month or more with affiliate marketing on a small channel, you want to watch this video next. Upper right corner of your screen, top of the description. I'll see you there. Take care.